Did you know that an asteroid just 140 meters wide could flatten an entire metropolitan area? That's smaller than New York's Central Park. And right now, one is heading toward Earth's orbit. This is Asteroid 2024 YR4, recently identified by NASA's Near-Earth Object Program. Its projected path has caught the attention of astronomers worldwide, and today we're breaking down what you need to know about this celestial visitor. Asteroid 2024 YR4 measures approximately 210 meters in diameter. That's nearly twice the height of the Statue of Liberty. NASA's concern stems from its unusual trajectory. Unlike most near-Earth objects that maintain predictable paths, 2024 YR4 has shown subtle deviations in its orbit, possibly due to the Yarkovsky effect, where sunlight can gradually alter an asteroid's direction. Current calculations place it passing within 280,000 kilometers of Earth, closer than the Moon. And the margin of error in these calculations leaves open the troubling possibility of an even closer approach. First spotted in January 2024 by the Pan-STARRS telescope in Hawaii, Asteroid 2024 YR4 initially seemed unremarkable. But subsequent observations from the European Southern Observatory revealed its composition of dense nickel iron, significantly increasing its potential impact energy. Scientists use a combination of optical telescopes, radar imaging, and spectroscopic analysis to track and characterize the asteroid. The Planetary Defense Coordination Office maintains a Torino scale rating for all near-Earth objects, with 2024 YR4 currently classified as a Level 2, meriting attention by astronomers. What makes YR4 particularly interesting is its rotation pattern. The tumbling motion we're observing makes its path less predictable than we'd like. The closest approach is calculated for December 22, 2032, while NASA's official position maintains the asteroid will safely pass Earth. They've increased monitoring resources and implemented contingency planning. If, and scientists stress this remains unlikely, 2024 YR4 were to impact Earth, the consequences would be regional but severe. Models suggest an impact energy equivalent to 150 megatons of TNT, creating a crater over 3 kilometers wide. The atmospheric dust could affect climate patterns for months. In response, NASA has accelerated development of its DART successor mission, a spacecraft designed to deflect asteroids by altering their trajectory through kinetic impact. While not specifically targeting 2024 YR4, this mission represents humanity's first planetary defense system. Asteroid 2024 YR4 reminds us of our vulnerability to cosmic threats. While this particular object will likely pass safely, it underscores the importance of continued investment in early detection and deflection technologies to protect our planet from future close encounters. What do you think about humanity's preparedness for asteroid threats? Share your thoughts in the comments below. And for more videos exploring the mysteries and dangers of our universe, subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell. Until next time, keep looking up. Please don't forget to subscribe.